We just protected this truck with the by far best anti-theft system you could get for your vehicle. Theft is a huge problem right now in Ontario, and with this package, it's not gonna be a problem for you. We installed Compustar alarm, which is gonna make sure your vehicle is not messed with, IGLA, which is gonna make sure your vehicle stays in your driveway, and then a dash camera that you could tap in remotely so you always can see the surroundings of your vehicle no matter where you are in the world. There's 3 sensors this alarm has. It's a tilt sensor, a shock sensor, and a glass break sensor. Let's demonstrate the shock sensor right now. That's your warn away. So if a thief is messing with your car, it's going to trigger a warn sensor, which is also going to show right here, shock sensor 1, which is the warn away to tell thieves there's something installed in this truck. Now let's actually set off the alarm. Okay, come on back. The first thing you're gonna notice is the alarm going off inside of the vehicle. There's a dash camera there. So the interior siren is going off. We also have a siren underneath the hood, which is what you can hear right now as well. You get a trigger, real-time, instant trigger on the app saying that the alarm is going off. Let's open up the app. And now we're gonna tap lock. And that disables the alarm. Now we can even tap into the live feed of the dash camera to see who's messing with my truck. We tap up here for live view, and there you have it. You have the front view of the truck, and then you could also view the rear of the truck as well. While we're here, I'll show you 2 other features. You can take a photo of the thief that's messing around with your truck, and then you could also set off a panic if you want to warn them away. And then we could take it off from here as well. I'm now going to show you the tilt sensor. This is going to basically imitate your vehicle being jacked up onto a flatbed or a tow truck. All right, the truck is going off. The interior siren is going off as well inside of the truck. And then also, it says right here, tilt sensor. That will indicate to you that someone is jacking your truck up to get put on a flatbed or a tow truck. We can open it up again. We could tap into the dash camera if we wanted to see what's going on. Maybe try to figure out what tow truck company is taking your truck. And then we could also just disable the alarm right now. And the third sensor is the glass break sensor. So let's go ahead and break the windows on this truck. I'm kidding, we're not gonna do that. It's a Compustar alarm. I have all my faith in it. I know it works, I trust it, and I stand behind it. Let's say somehow a thief has been able to get around all of these sensors. They're not gonna get past IGLA. Let me show you how that works. Once you're inside of the truck, let's go put our foot on the foot brake. Let's hit the push start button. Now the truck starts right up. I'm also gonna get a notification on my phone that the ignition has turned on, indicating the truck has started. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift out of park. So if I put my hand on the shifter here, put it into reverse, but see how it digitally goes back to park. Nothing. This is, if I say in drive, let's see, it goes right back to park. This truck is now digitally stuck in park. It will not move to anywhere else other than park until I authenticate it with my secret PIN code, which I'll show you now. So let's go ahead and enter in our secret PIN code that we programmed in to demonstrate to you guys how this works. We're gonna press cancel 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The dash is going to flash, indicating that the vehicle has been authenticated correctly. Now, if I put my foot on the foot brake and then I shift out of park, going to drive, the vehicle stays there. It doesn't digitally go back to park like it was going to before. Guys, this is by far the best security system you can get in your vehicle. Now let me show you guys some of the other features that's included with this system. So as you saw, you had your dash camera features. You have your gallery where all the photos saved. You could remote start this vehicle, lock it, unlock remotely anywhere you are. You could track the vehicle real time to find out where your vehicle is. You could check the battery voltage, see the status, if the vehicle is on, which it is right now, if the doors are unlocked, if the alarm is disarmed, all which is true right now. Check the temperature inside your vehicle. You could even set maintenance reminders. So if you know your vehicle needs to be serviced every few 100 kilometers, you could do that as well. There's just so much extra features in here that's bundled into this package. You have 24/7 security on your vehicle, and if it gets messed with or tampered with, you're going to know on your smartphone no matter where you are in the world. And then if someone does mess with it, you could tap into your truck and get a live feed view in the rear of your vehicle and the front of the vehicle to see what's going on. It is literally the peace of mind you need. If you like one of these installed in your vehicle, or if you want some more information or a demonstration on how this works in person, please fill out the contact form on our website and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.